trade to earn. Yes, that's right, guys. It's a wild new platform that you can use to trade to earn some Solana at the same time. What's up, guys? It's Greeny here. Welcome back to another crypto tutorial. As I said just before, guys, a trade to earn platform has been going viral on Solana Memecoins and perps at the same time, and it's called Axiom. So today we're going to focus on a full tutorial on how to use it. It's also the cheapest platform to be using right now with the highest volume in the Solana Memecoin trenches. So you definitely want to watch this one. As always, guys, please subscribe, please like the video, and if you'd like to support the channel a little bit more, turn notifications on so you stay up to date with my tutorials. And dude, check out GTG. There's a big sale on down below. Get 3 days for free if you sign up for the month option. Use the walk.com link down below. We've been printing profits across all different crypto markets now for 2 years. So I'd love to see you in there. All right, guys, without further ado, let's dive into the Axiom tutorial. Alrighties, guys, this is Axiom. So one of the best platforms right now to be trading meme coins, just like all your other favorite platforms, but it's cheaper and it's so much better to use. So if you're looking to gain access, come below this video, guys, and you can click this button right here, Axiom, and it'll open you up. You connect your Phantom wallet to the platform, just like all of these other platforms out there for Solana meme coins, and you'll gain some access. Now, once you're in, this is what it looks like. So again, it appeals to so many different traders, okay? You can use it in a range of different ways. If you're someone that likes to trade like me, where you much prefer swing trades, you much prefer volume, then Dex Screener tab on the Discover tab is nearly going to be your favorite port on this whole interface. So you can obviously filter it by a range of different things. Moonshot, Pump Fun, Radium obviously launching their new competitor in the past couple of days, right? And it all appears on here. You can allocate a certain amount of liquidity, a certain amount of top 10 holders. All of those filters are there. Now you can obviously trend it by 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, or 24 hours. And like me, guys, I like to trend by volume. And as you can see, over the past 5 minutes, Filecoin is still dominating the meme coin volume. So that is probably one of my favorite tabs about the whole platform, is that you can use the Dex Screener inbuilt tab to essentially go straight to some of these tokens. Now, again, it is flawless, okay? It shows you all of an audit log. So have they paid a Dex? Okay, other top holder percentage. You can buy directly there with a quick buy. You can check their X. You can check their website. You can check a search on Twitter as well, guys. Like, it is sensational, okay? Very easy platform. As you can see, we can talk about the latest and we can talk about the top people. So who's tweeting about it the most? This account obviously seems to be doing that. So it's fantastic. It's all built into that platform. That's the Dex Screener tab. You then can click trending and you can see some of the top trending meme coins currently: 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minutes, and hour, guys. Fantastic interface for that. Now, obviously, the more common trader who likes to be in the trenches, maybe prefers that sort of gambling nature, chasing those 100Xs, you're going to see this platform here, and it's going to be very similar to the other ones that we've seen on other competitors. But you have a new pair, you have a final stretch, and you have obviously the tokens that have migrated already after graduation. So what we have noticed, guys, is a massive shift in volume across different platforms. And what we're seeing right now is that this is a platform to be on, a lot more opportunities, and it's cheaper. And as I said before, you can earn by trading, okay? And what I mean by that is you tick off little quests, okay? And you can earn some points that will give you Solana back straight away that you can claim at a later point. So as you can see here, this one's temporarily disabled, but I'm pretty sure that was deposit some money and trade at least one time. This one here, trade 15 more oil sol of volume. This one here, make 10 transactions. So they mix it up week to week. And that's fantastic, right? But over time, okay, you're going to collect points. And as you can see, I've got 6,400 points. And as you put more volume through the platform, as you put more transactions through the platform, you're going to get more rewards, you're going to get more points, and you're going to move up the tiers as well to unlock further, better rewards. So fantastic website, guys. And the first time that you can actually trade to earn, okay? Get some of that Solana back if you are losing more so in the trenches. So again, this can be altered in any way, guys, okay? It's a fantastic platform. I'll probably do some more strategic videos, tutorials in the near future, specifically on any of these. So let me know in the comments which part of Axiom do you like the best, or which part of Axiom would you like me to do more content on. But as you can see, you can literally do bundlers, okay, insiders. You can negate everything. So you can look for just the absolute pure, authentic, organic meme coins, or you can go on the risky side and have all of the filters turned off. And as you can see, you're getting a lot of meme coins coming back right now. And what we've noticed is a big increase in the amount of meme coins that have been launched. And obviously, a big increase in the amount of graduation rate as well. I'm pretty sure it floated with about 1% over the past couple of days. And that's the first time it's been up there since literally like February, start of March. Okay, so that's good to see that meme coins are starting to show a bit of love and return to the market. So this is the pulse button up the top. I showed you the discover button. Now let's dive into some of the other platform triggers that you can have in there. So right now, obviously you can use a Twitter tracker, which down the bottom is also there as well. And you can move this around at any time. So I can come back to discover, okay, and I can put this over on the side. So again, fantastic that you can alter this around. As you can see, I've just put in Elon Musk. If you want to customize your feed, so say for example, you wanted to put me in or someone else, okay, you can obviously enter their Twitter handle up the top here, okay, and you can add them in there. Now, ultimately, if they're not within the top 1,500, I'm not exactly sure how they rank that, but not within the top 1,500 requests, I assume, okay, you do need to add a few boosts on the platform, which you can unlock by obviously doing certain tasks and certain quests on the platform. But as you can see, I can't put myself on here until I get some more boosts on the platform. But again, super amazing that you can use this, okay? Over on the side, you can turn that off at any time, okay? Turn that on, turn that off. Fantastic, right? Rather than being directly in the tracker. Now, wallet tracker, like all wallet trackers, guys, find some on-chain. Now, highly advised, don't copy trade, okay? We're seeing just people mint people, using other people as eggs with liquidity over a long period of time, okay? So do look to trade, okay? But use copy traders as a sort of alpha on how they trade, okay, or where they're trading. Are they trading volume-based tokens? Are they just getting in out of small market caps, which means they are farming the copy traders that follow them? Or are these copy traders actually a good, reliable source for good alpha and good returns in the meme coin market? So again, you can add some wallet management up the top, and you can add that as a tool as well. So you can have that over on the side. You can alter the window as well. Guys, amazing. If you've obviously imported and exported previous CVS files, which we have in GTG, then you can obviously import all of your favorite wallets in there straight away as well. So that's amazing, guys. Now let's dive a little bit deeper, okay? Obviously the rewards tab, I'm not going to show you that specifically. I showed you here. I just don't want to dox myself and that sort of stuff with my wallets and whatnot. But as you can see, you earn rewards by ticking off the quests, as I said before, and accumulate points. Now you can go to your portfolio. As you can see, I haven't been trading too much on this wallet. I wanted to keep it nice and fresh for you guys, but I am using a different one to obviously trade a bit more actively. But as you can see, okay, it's going to keep you up to date with your P&L, which down the bottom, it also gives you a P&L tracker, okay, that you can move around the platform as well. If you're live streaming, for example, and you want to keep up to date, or just out of curiosity when you're trading in general, you can refresh this at any time and keep it up as well. But you can dive in deeper here in your portfolio and see what currently trades you currently have, what your historical tokens are, and your top 100 trades on the platform. So as you can see, I lost $6 just by using the platform to show you how it works with buying and selling Fartcoin the other day, 5 days ago. Now, a couple other things before we dive specifically into the DEX and how to actually trade. For example, on the actual specific meme coins, they do allow you to generate yield. This is what I mean. This is an insane platform, guys, and you can earn to trade on this platform. It's just wild. And so you can easily swap your Solana for USDC and earn a yield on this. Now, it was about, as you can see, it's blanked out for some reason right now, but it was about 2.45% just before. But essentially, they use Jitto to help with soul staking and that sort of stuff. But you can enable yield here, X amount, and you can do that within the platform as well. So that's amazing, guys. Now, lastly, before we do obviously dive into the charts specifically for meme coins, you can trade perps. Now, that's just insane, okay? So, for example, you can come over here. It tells you the max amount of leverage that you can use. So, BTC 40, Solana 20, ETH 25. You click on the charts. My charts are being really weird right now. I don't know why. Maybe I need to refresh, but let's refresh this and see if it wants to work for me. But it has all your order book over on the side, just like a normal DEX does, and obviously a centralized exchange. There we go, finally it's loading. But as you can see, so I could be looking for longs and shorts on ETH, all within the same platform, all inbuilt with literally a connection to your Phantom wallet with Solana, guys, and USDC. So fantastic. Okay, again, obviously, if you're looking for somewhere to learn consistently with how to trade, we have about a 70% win rate in GTG on perps. So I'd highly recommend checking it out, as I said before, and you get a little 3-day free trial if you join right now. And that's only available for about 15 members. So do check that out. You get notifications up the top once you obviously tick off some of the points, as you can see, by doing certain quests and whatnot. And if obviously you deposit any money in or withdraw any money, or your trade hits a stop loss or a take profit, it's all going to be up the top there. So as you can see, this is what it would be like to long or short. And again, I can do some more native tutorials specific to each aspect of this in the coming weeks. Now, let's go back to, obviously, I want to look at Fartcoin specifically. Now, when you come in, okay, very similar, okay? So this is the meme coin side of it, not the perpetuals, but the meme coin side. So you're not going to be able to long and short this. If you want to long and short Fartcoin, go to the perps side, okay, up the top there, and you can do it up there. Now, as you can see, it's going to show you a range of different things. You can have outliers on there, so anything in particular that looks really bizarre. So you can have your wicks here from MEV events, all those sorts of things. I like to keep my charts nice and clean. So as you can see, I turn the outliers off. My trades, as you can see, I bought and sold straight away for a $6 loss, just to show you that it does work, guys. And as you can see, you can actually track what your current average cost basis is on the meme coin and average exit price as well. So that's why I got the small loss there, because the orange line is below the green line. So as you can see, now the platform itself still has a fantastic UI, okay? Very similar to Dex Screener. So I can literally use my fibs on here and start looking for pullbacks if we do see one, okay, and see how far we're going to come down. So we're at the 236. So maybe I'll look for longs back towards the golden pocket if we do pull back. So very fantastic interface. Again, a trading view implemented on this makes it super easy to use any of the indicators that you like to use. You can turn off the dev trades, turn off track traders, all that sort of stuff, or you can turn them on as well. Come down the bottom, you can see the top holders, okay, top traders. You can see the dev, whether they're currently holding any tokens and what they're trading, all those sorts of things, and your current positions down the bottom. And then obviously you can look at the current trades as well and see how much these sort of people are aping into these tokens or taking profit. Now, same as always, guys, up the top, you can preset all of these settings, how much you want to allocate per buy button, how much you want to allocate per sell button, and you can change all of these settings in there as well. So again, do that all in the settings, and I can, again, do another tutorial in the future. This is just an overview of the platform to show you how you can go about it. But I usually like to set mine at, pretty much like on the sell side. So this is the buy side. I usually like to go, 0.51. 3.5 sol, and then more recently on the sell side, for some reason it's not showing it right. My connection must be a bit dodgy, but it would be usually like 25, 30%, 50%, 100% of the trade. Now, obviously you can track 5-minute volume, you can track 1 hour volume if you like, you can track 6-hour volume, etc., and price. They have 3 different presets for how you'd like to show down here. On the right side, you can turn on similar tokens. I personally would turn that off just to keep the as you can see, these are derivatives, right? That's why I want to turn that off. I don't want to see derivatives of the main token. You always want to go with the main tokens. But preset 2, you can obviously see token information there. You can see your slippage, your priority, and your bribe fee at the moment. And again, you can change all of these in different presets that you would like to set. So up to you with your presets. Like you could do one for the trenches. You could do one for swing trades. How much slippage you want. You might want more slippage if you're in the trenches. You might want less slippage if you're swing trading. Those sorts of things. But yeah, you can turn off all of these and turn all of these on, and alter any of these presets at any time on the buy side or the sell side. So fantastic inbuilt settings, both in the settings up the top, okay, account and security up the top, but up the top you can go to settings, okay, or obviously you can do your slippage up here as well. Now, obviously that's a full wrap, guys. As I said before, you can sign up down below. Highly recommend it. Everyone's moving here, as you can see here. Okay, graduation rate is up, but everyone and the volume is moving here. It's a fantastic platform, okay? This is what it's going to look like when you get and click that button. Just connect your Phantom wallet, like always, deposit some money in. As you can see up the top, I deposited 15 Sol in the other day, and as you can see, it's here. But you can hit the withdraw tab as well at any time and withdraw your money out back to your Phantom wallet. So let me know if you have any questions, guys. Let me know which specific aspects of the Axiom platform you'd like me to explore more specifically, whether it's my settings with trading, whether it's perps, how I could use the platform to trade longs and shorts, okay, which we'd like to do separately elsewhere, but maybe it is time for me to be doing this all on this exchange. But I have noticed the fees on this aren't as stingy as other platforms out there as well. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you enjoyed this video and any questions that you have. So there you have it, guys. That's how to trade Solana Memecoins using the new and best platform out there, Axiom. If you like my content, please subscribe down below, smash the like button, and do turn notifications on so you stay up to date with my uploads. As always, guys, do check out GTG. As I said at the start, there's a big sale on. We'd love to have you in there. We've been so consistent with profits, but we want you and teach you to become a better trader with all of our resources, all the tools that we have in there, and so much more. Check us out using the wop.com link down below. As always, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.